there are lots of beautiful. We also have here, ladies and gentlemen, the general manager of the Kuara television service is also here with us. Ladies and gentlemen, I need to welcome Mr. Femi Adebayo, who takes it on Netflix.
I believe by His grace, I'm still coming back on this stage for more awards. And I'm dedicating this to the entire people of Kuara. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Debo Adebayo, macaroni, small talk.
We must fight the rules. We must fight.
It's a male's award. Your Excellency, I should go home with this, right? I can go home. I'm not in any mood to give any male any gift today.
What did we do?
I'm in the mood for collecting. Kuara, are you also giving the gifts to the male? Nice sacrifice said you must give it to him first. Are you in that mood? Turn back now before you turn to stone. He's very red cap today. Nice sacrifice. Something. Something also so. I get.
Mr. Kanayo.
And later went back with law, and has now become a barrister at law. Kanayo began his acting career in the early 1990s, appearing in Nigerian films and television shows. His breakthrough role came in 1992 on the film Living in Bondage, a critically acclaimed movie that launched his career. Kanayo has since appeared in over 100 films, including Blood Money, Billionaires Club, Battle of Love, Apire, amongst others. He has won several awards, including Best Actor at the 2005 African Movie Academy Awards and Lifetime Achievement Award. Kanayo ventured into politics, running for the House of Representatives seat in the Nigerian National Assembly, representing the Ayazi Ezekiti BC Federal Constituency. Kanayo owns a film production company, AOK Productions. He's also involved in various charitable initiatives focusing on education and youth empowerment. Kanayo is widely regarded as one of Nigeria's most accomplished actors, with a career spanning over 3 decades. His contributions to Nollywood have helped shape the industry and inspire a new generation of actors. Kanayo is married with children.
Excellency, Femi Governor of Kuara State, and your families, most especially your very humble, caring wife. She is left out, will be ready on the flight today. Flying with common people like us. Let me start a little bit. So when you Abraham, some minutes to 12. So if you talk to me out there, that's one I'm active in the coffee. So you will disappear. I was going to say, it is indeed an honor and a privilege to have this award presented by you for me. Your Excellency, another duty of gladness which I have is that I am not in a hospital and you are paying the bills. But you see, when you are given a special recognition or lifetime achievement award, sometimes it comes with a heavy heart. I'm going to dedicate this award out of the service of most of my colleagues who are out of jobs and many that are in hospital. And I wish our different states can come to the rescue, especially those who are not in good health. I'm 62 years and doing well in Hollywood. The name of my place is not. I either have a job or they are sick. But for the support you have given to the place of Hollywood, this is actually my first time in Kuara. And one thing Hilda and myself and Gloria Young noticed from the airport. We have stopped singing praises of politicians. The airport will not take it. I propose that you add 10,000 to the cleaners. The cleaners are doing a good job. On behalf of myself and my family, I want to thank you for this support. I think the last time my colleagues like you we received the support was from Bayelsa State Government with Hammer. They did a lot to push money forward. You may not really take the impact of what you're doing today, but posterity will remember you. And to the organizers, it's my first time being at one of us. We've invited them many times. It's my pleasure being here. And to my colleagues, those who did not win, if you are nominated, means you are good. Nobody has lost. I want to thank you and the state for having me and my colleagues. God bless you all, and God bless Nigeria.
Congratulations to you. I have the single honor to His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Kuara State, the